Our YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that I'm showing you guys my 52-inch white Windsor and Browne ceiling fan, and I don't know the model name for this ceiling fan, but this is something what a lot of ceiling fan collectors call the builder ceiling fan, as it has builder vents on the motor housing. And then the thing about it is, now the features about this fan is that it has 5 reversible blades. Well, I'm showing it with 4 blades and stuff, but the 5th blade is right here. And the reason why I said it has 5 reversible blades because this ceiling fan can be installed with 4 blades or 5 blades, and the 5th blade right here. So let me start repeating myself and get on, and let me start repeating myself and say what I was about to say. It has 5 reversible blades from bleached oak, which is this side facing, and it's white on the other side of the blades. And the reason why I'm showing the bleached oak side of the blades facing down is because the white side of the blades has some paint splatters on them and stuff. So that's why I'm showing the bleached oak side of the blades facing down. And the mounting bracket I'm using on this fan is not original, but I have the original mounting bracket for it. And the pull chain you see on the light kit is not original to the fan. It came off of an unknown ceiling fan model RB52, as that ceiling fan was missing blades and the mounting hardware and the light kit. So I'm about to go on and tell you what I had to do when I was putting 4 blades on there. So what I had to do was that I had to use my fingers to actually screw these blades onto the motor. Then I had to take the screwdriver to tighten up the blades and stuff. And some of the blades are not even tightened up right. Like oh, they all tight. Okay, I was about to say, dang, I didn't even tighten it up good, but they all tight. But and then when I took this fan apart, I spun the motor by hand, and the bearings was a little bit stiff. So I had to spray some WD-40 onto the bearings on the ceiling fan, onto the ceiling fan motor, so it can actually have like a free, so it can spin freely and stuff, instead of the bearings being so stiff. And due to the fact that I sprayed some WD-40 on the bearings and stuff, so it gave the ceiling fan like the wet bearing noise. So other than that, I'm about to go on and on demonstrate the fan, starting off with the light. And due to the fact that the light kit was originally a one-way setting light kit, I replaced the pull chain and replaced it with the pull chain that'll give the light kit a 3-way setting feature. So when I pull the chain, 2 of these lights come on, and when I pull it again, the other 2 come on, and when I pull it again, all 4 of them come on, and when I pull it again, all 4 of them goes off. So I'm about to go on and demonstrate this fan, starting off with low. Hold on a sec. Let me see what. Yeah. Because this fan has a fast start to it. Yeah, it has a fast start to it. So it was really no point in me keeping the ceiling fan on high speed for a few seconds, because of how fast it starts up. And due to the fact that the blades on the ceiling fan are warped, it's causing the ceiling fan to have a wobble to it. And then what I forgot to mention is that it is 3 speeds and is electrically reversible. And the way the motor on, and then the way the black motor that's making the blades on the fan go around in circles look and stuff, the motor made me thought that it was a Power Max builder fan due to the fact that Power Max used the same motor design as the motor design on this ceiling fan uses. So that's what made me thought that it was made by Power Max. And due to the fact that the file number for the ceiling fan is E127, hold on. The file number for the fan is E127699. The file number makes me want to say the ceiling fan was made by Aloha due to the file number for the fan being E127699. So, other than that, I'm trying to think of something else on what I have to say about this fan, other than the fact that the ceiling fan was real dusty when I got it. So I had to spray some awesome spray on the fan and stuff to get the dust off the fan and stuff. And due to the fact that it had some dust spots on there and stuff, so I'm gonna have to re-clean the ceiling fan one day and stuff whenever I feel like it and stuff. So other than that, this is just about low. And it is putting out a little breeze on low for a builder fan. And what also I forgot to mention is that according to the light kit, when I took the fan apart, like removed the light kit and removed the motor housing away from the motor on the fan, and then I saw the date on the light kit, and according to the light kit, this ceiling fan was actually manufactured in 1992. But it does have a wobble to it on medium. Yup, and then not only that it has a wobble to it on medium and stuff, and then it does have a wobble on high speed on forward direction and stuff. But when I put the fan in reverse, it really doesn't wobble as much as it does when it's in reverse, which is what I find weird about these ceiling fans and stuff. But this ceiling fan was originally installed in the dining room at my martial art instructor's sister-in-law house. But due to the fact that she wanted a new ceiling fan to go in the dining room and stuff, I ended up replacing the ceiling fan with another ceiling fan called the Hampton Bay Hugger, which was 52 inches and it was brushed nickel. And then the next thing is that I asked the lady did she want to keep the fan, and she originally said she wanted it to go in the kitchen. And then so I was going to install it in her kitchen and stuff. And then the next thing is that I told her I was going to take it if she didn't want it. And she was like, "Oh, you want it?" And I was like, "I was going to put it in the kitchen if you wanted me to." And then she was like, "No, I don't even want that fan." And then after that, then that's when I decided I was going to take it with me. So, other than that, this is just about medium. And I'm about to go on and see. Well, it's putting out an okay amount of air on medium. Now I'm going to see what happens if I bump it up to high speed. Now, this fan right here, even though it does have a bearing noise to it, I can barely even hear it and stuff. It's almost like at the point that I can't even hear the bearings at all. But it does have a bearing noise to it. And then as you can see, that the canopy on this fan is lopsided. And the reason why the canopy is lopsided because I was too lazy to tighten up the screws to make the canopy look straight and stuff, just so the ceiling fan can have more like a neat look to it and stuff. So that's why the canopy is lopsided on the fan, because I was too lazy to tighten up the canopy screws and stuff. so the canopy can be a lot straight. So other than that, I'm just showing what it looks like running on high speed. Hold on. I'm trying to see if you can notice that the light, that one of the spotlights has a different twerking to it and stuff. Because one of the spotlights is twerking and stuff a little different than how the fan is shaking and stuff. But it's probably not noticeable on camera. And I'm about to show you guys the air noise and stuff. Oh, snaps! I'd have bumped my finger up against the blade. Man, I gotta be careful. So, also, what I forgot to mention is that it can also be installed without a light kit if I have a separate switch cap for this fan and stuff. But other than that, I'm about to go on and put it in reverse. Just to show you guys that the fan doesn't wobble that much in reverse than it does on forward. And then I'm going to put it on medium. And it barely wobbles on medium in reverse. So it's almost at the point that it's wobble free. But it does have a little wobble to it on medium in reverse. Then I'm going to put it on low. And then I'm going to put it on fan off. So, other than that, this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.